Hello friends, greetings of the day. Welcome to the online session of Business Economics. Friends, in this session we are learning chapter number 2, that is Theory of Demand and Supply. In this chapter number 2 we are learning unit number 1, that is Law of Demand and Elasticity of Demand. In this video we shall learn what is Law of Demand. Law of demand starts with the words ceteris paribus. Now these words ceteris paribus are derived from Latin language, and these words mean other things being equal. Other things being equal means when we are talking about the law of demand, we find out the relationship between price and quantity demanded. So all those factors other than price will remain equal, or we can say will remain constant. So ceteris paribus means other things being equal. Other things means all the other factors than the price will remain constant. This is our assumption. So ceteris paribus means other things being equal. When price of a commodity increases, its quantity demanded will decrease, and when the price of a commodity decreases, the quantity demanded will increase. So there is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. When both the variables are moving into the opposite direction, it means that there is inverse relationship between these two variables. Inverse relation is also known as negative relation or indirect relation. Now let us prove this indirect relation with the help of a demand schedule. Now in a demand schedule, this is price of the commodity and this is quantity demanded. Now we can say that at point A, when price of a product was 5 rupees, demand was 10 units. But when the price of product was reduced and it became 4 rupees, that quantity demanded increased to 15 units. Again, when the price was reduced to 3 rupees, the quantity demanded became 20. You can see that as the price is going reduced, the quantity demanded is being increased. At point D, when the price is further reduced to 2 rupees, the quantity demanded has become 35. And when price has become 1 rupee, the quantity demanded is 60. So we can say that as the price of a commodity is reduced, the quantity demanded is increased. And we can see in the opposite manner also, when the price of commodity is increased, in that case the quantity demanded is being reduced. So there is inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Now this inverse relation can be presented through this diagram, which is known as demand curve. We can see that at the price of 5 rupees, the demand is 10 units. At the price of 4 rupees, the demand is 15 units. As the price is reduced, the quantity demanded increases. On the x-axis, we show the quantity demanded, and on the y-axis, we show the price. So y-axis is also known as price axis, or it is also known as vertical axis, and x-axis is also known as quantity axis or horizontal axis. On the horizontal axis we present quantity, and on the vertical axis we present price. So we can see that as the price is reduced, the quantity demanded increases. So demand curve, if we connect all these points, we get a demand curve, and this demand curve is downward sloping demand curve. or it is also known as a negatively sloped demand curve, or it is known as left side up to right side down. This is left side up to right side down. Why this is downward sloping? Because of inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. So demand curve is downward sloping because of inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Now let us learn what is market demand schedule. Market demand. When we are talking about the individual demand, it means that we are analyzing demand of one person. But when we talk about the market demand, it means that we are talking about the total demand of all those customers in the market. Say for example, in this particular market, we have three customers, person P, Q and R. At the price of 5 rupees, person P has demanded 10 units, Q has demanded 8 units and R has demanded 12 units. So the total market demand will be 30 units. Now the market demand can be defined as the horizontal summation. Now this is horizontal summation of this individual demands. 10 plus 8 plus 12 has become 30. So market demand is the horizontal summation. Summation means addition. It is horizontal addition of individual demands. When individual demands are horizontally added, it gets market demand. At the price of 4 rupees, again when price has reduced, the demand will increase. The person P has demanded 15 units, Q has demanded 12 and R has demand of 18 units. So the total market demand is 45. Again when market price has been reduced to 3 rupees, person P demands 20 units, Q demands 17, R demands 23 units. Total market demand is 60. At the price of 2 rupees, again the demand has increased to 35, Q demand has increased to 25 and R has demanded 40 units. So the total market demand is 100. At the price of 1 rupee, demand is 60, 35 and 45. The total market demand is 140. So we can see here that when the price is reduced, the market demand gets increased, and if the price has been increased, the market demand gets reduced. So the price and total market demand will also have inverse relation. Now this can be presented on the diagram also. So this is the market demand curve, and market demand curve is also downward sloping or negatively sloped or left side up to right side down. Why market demand curve is also downward sloping? Because of inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. So when there is inverse relation between price and quantity demanded, the curve becomes downward sloping. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.